Hello everyone, this is Rohit Srivastav and welcome back to Coding with Rohit YouTube channel. And and in this video I explain how to make calculator using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Part of the series which is start from today, and that is I create daily one project of and create 30 project within 30 days. And this is my first project, which is a calculator with the JavaScript. And this is the video how you create calculator with the JavaScript. Okay. And why I creating this project? Because building project is best way to learn uh, any language. As a beginner, this is like hearing just go skydiving, but I choose the very easy and beginner friendly project for beginner programmers. So first thing you do, you just hit the subscribe button if you are new to this video or this channel. If you already subscribed the channel, please hit the like button.
Do it! Just do it!
What we do here, we create a calculator. Actually I create calculator already, but I forget to turn on OBS, and I speak I will do complete code of calculator without screen recording. So now again I am recording this, and again first thing we do to create HTML file. Okay, so we already have HTML file here. We already have HTML file. We already have style.css and main.js. I already create project, so I have all these files. uh, okay, and my live server is also on. So first we create our index.html file. Okay, so here we just and then our basic so here we change title is our calculator. Okay, okay, that's it. Now we need a container for the calculator. Means we need a body where we have a screen and some buttons. Okay, so for that box or that body of the calculator, we use div with a class container. Sorry, div dot container. Okay, so we have a container. So within this container we have a display for the showing the result, and we have some buttons. Okay, so for these two things we have to create a form. So we create a form with name, and name is form. Okay, so now within this form we create a display of the calculator. So for that we create a div dot display, and we have a display. So in the display we take input from the users. In our input are these operators, sorry, not the operators. We have values or the operands, and operators. Okay, so we have to take input from the user, that is operand or uh, operators. Okay, so for that we create a input box with text type, and when you open the calculator you see there is 0 already. So for that we use placeholder 0. Okay, so now we have already a 0 like the calculators. Okay, and we name this display result. Okay, Now, so we have a display. Now we have to create buttons. Everybody know that we in calculator we have buttons and display. Simple. So we have a button. So for buttons, we create simple a division with a class that called buttons. Okay. So now buttons, but we did not. We have to arrange buttons in some rows. Okay. So for that we create a row. So we use div dot row, and we have a row, and within a row we have some buttons. I think a normal calculator in a row we have four buttons. So we create four buttons. For that we use input. A type of input is button. So we here go and type input value. We decide what value of this button is later, and we name it. Okay. So we copy it, and we need a four button in a row. So so we have a four buttons in a row, and we need four more row for. So we copy this row and paste it four times. We have one, two, and change form. Okay, so now we give the values. So value are like 7, sorry, 8, 9, and plus. Simple. And then 4, 5, 6, and minus. And here 1, 2, 3, and here multiply. And here we create, and here we have some values of multiply number. We left 0, and decimal point, and division, and equal. Okay. And that's it. We have a screen and buttons. Now we have to name the buttons. That is v, that equal v, and here v dot b, and then v. And yeah, we also have to create on click function. We also need to add on click function to send value to JavaScript. Okay, so for that we use on click, sorry, on click, and on click we call a function that is a calc number, and v0 dot value. Okay, that's it. Now we copy this and paste here, and paste here. What is this one? Yeah, I don't know why there's some mistakes. What happened? What happened? Mhm. Yeah, click this one. Okay, yeah. It's not. And here we get on click display, and sorry, display result dot value equal equal, and sorry, display result dot value. Okay, so mm, we copy the things. So here we have v7 and v8, v9, and 8 button. Okay, we have on click v7, on click v8, v8, we have v9, we have v9, and add v. Okay, so can I check? Sorry, so here we have name v4, sorry, v4, v5, v6, v. Here we paste, and here v4, v3, v5, v6, and v1, v2, v3, v4. Okay. So we have a balance since now we I mean just file or function to this calculator. So we have a skeleton of this calculator. So we skeleton of the calculator. Now we have a another section of this calculator. Okay, so what here we call a function. This is a calc number. So we define in the JavaScript file calc, sorry, function calc number and result, and we form the display dot display result dot value equal form dot display result dot value plus result. Okay, so now we check this one not working. Hmm, why looking why? The calculator is working. Now we have to do styling of say styling with CSS. Okay, so here we come to our index file. Mm, we link our CSS with the HTML file. Mm, uh, okay, we come here which you select body HTML and change the background. That is something is E C T E F. Okay, and give the margin 0, padding 0, and now we have something here is container, container, and button and display and rows. Okay, what first we have to create the container of this calculator, or you can say body of the calculator. For that we set the width of around 300 px, and change the background, that is white, and give the position fixed, and give the position fixed, and we give a top is 50%, and left 50%, we can this is 30 and 30. Okay, now it's fine. So we have buttons and the screen. Okay, and now we change what we do here, and we give padding bottom something 20 px. Okay, and we give a box shadow on 0 50 px, 10 px, RGBA, 0 0 0 0 and 0.5. Yep, 0 6 px 90px 0 RGBA 0 0 0 5. Okay. And we give water radius around 50px. So we have this calculator. Look beautiful. Okay, so that's it in the body section, of course, the container section. Now we move to our buttons or display or row. We move to our display. Okay, here we give width 100px. Sorry, 100%. And background color is something black, black. And height, change the height around 60px. Okay, and height is 60px. Nice. Now we get the padding. Padding is 35px. 0. Okay, that's right. We height and we get decrease. Okay. Okay, so we need to get we have border top left around 15px. Right. Okay. And now we move to our display. We select input type equal text and listen, and we give the width of around 277px. Perfect. And height 50px. And we give the float is left, padding 0, box sizing is border box, and border 2, text color is white, font size is something 25px, sorry, and background gray. So we see it has 0, and we just change the video. Nice. Yeah. And we give you margin 0, 5px and 10px tool. Okay, so we have a screen, and now we have to create buttons. So for buttons we use we increase increase the font weight. Font weight is 90. Okay, let's do size. We increase 35, 55. That's it. Okay, so now we create the buttons and we use um, input type equal button. We type equal buttons and we give the width of button is 50 px and height 50 px and border radius 50%. Okay, and float left padding 0, margin is 5%, sorry, 5 px, yeah, and border none, mm, and we give background. The color is something green. Yeah, and
A few moments later.
that's the final look of our calculator. If you like this project or this video, please hit the like. If you like this project or this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you are new to this. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more for notifications.